Okay, so I started to do, I'm on a road trip from Hamilton, Ontario, and then I'm going up to Kenora, Ontario, which this is a very, very long road trip. As you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup at the moment. So I guess I kind of want to vlog it and become a travel vlogger, because that'll happen now. I guess just, travel vlogging Canada. I love Canada. I love it so much. I was in the Canadian Forces for almost 4 years. I just got out because of a medical release due to the lupus thing. And yeah, so I just really like Canada. So I'm up in a place called Parry Sound. Now, for anybody who's from Parry Sound or knows of Parry Sound, the only thing I really know about Parry Sound is it's a nice stop-off place off to Sault Ste. Marie, which will be my first stop-off, which is kind of a big thing for me because I'll be going to the grave sites of both my grandfather and great uncles and my grandmother and my aunt who died as a baby, which it's where my dad was from. My dad was born, raised there, and then, joined the military and, lived elsewhere, right? So, but yeah, for Parry Sound, Bobby Orr's from here. He's a famous hockey player that played for the Boston Bruins. What made him, very unique was he wasn't one of these forwards or a goalie or whatever. He was, his claim to fame was he was a defenseman, which, you don't get a lot of defensemen that, end up like scoring goals and stuff, right? So he was just a really good hockey player, I'm told, because my dad was big fan. So, yeah. I'm going to Kenora. I lived up there for about a year when I was 15, 16, and I met a lot of friends there, and I loved it. So, yeah, this is a really short vlog, because my blogs are all going to be kind of short, and, if anybody's, watching and traveling along with me, good luck to you. So yeah, bye.